On a long journey, if 10% of the distance is covered at an average speed of 40 km per hour and 90% of the distance covered at an average speed of 90 km per hour, what is the average speed for the entire journey? How does this answer change if the percentage is related to time rather than the distance? That is, if 10% of the duration is covered at 40 km per hour and 90% of the duration is covered at an average speed of 90 km per hour. In two glasses, there is liquid material of the same type. The volume of one is V1. Its temperature is T1. The volume of the other is V2 and its temperature is T2. We mix the liquids and wait while the temperature settles. What is the common temperature if we neglect any heat losses? What would be the common temperature if the volume of first liquid is halved and the second liquid is doubled? Three ice cubes each of side 2 centimeters at 0 degrees Celsius are dropped into a glass of 18 degrees Celsius of water. The volume of the water is 200 centimeters cube. What is the volume and the temperature of the water after ice cubes are melted? How much can the temperature of water in a 50 meter, 25 meter, 2 meter size pool can be raised with the energy released by a single gram of 235 uranium isotope in a nuclear power plant? Assume 47% of the energy is used to heat up the water. Two cars are 60 kilometers away from each other and are moving towards each other at 116 kilometers per hour and 184 kilometers per hour. How far are they from each other 1.5 minutes before their collision? A ray of light is incident on an isosceles right-angled prism made of a material of critical angle 42 degrees. Find the distance of point of emergence of the ray from the prism if AB is equal to D and AP is equal to L. Large number of identical books are placed on a surface with adjacent blocks d apart. The leftmost block is imparted a velocity v to the right. On striking its neighbor, it comes to rest and the struck block takes off at 0.8 volts. This process repeats. What is the time interval between the third and fourth hits? Assume that the motion between the hits is uniform. Neglect the duration of the collision. A stick of a height h is protruding out of a liquid contained in a large vessel with half of it inside the liquid. Rays of light from afternoon sun are incident on the stick at 45 degrees as shown by the dotted lines. Find the length of the shadow on the bottom of the vessel. Would the shadow length increase or decrease as the sun goes down further? The wire mesh shown is made of a uniform wire. The resistance between any 2 points is R. When wires OH and OD are removed, some current flows between the terminals when a potential difference V is applied between them. If now the wires OB and OF are also removed, find the change in the potential difference for the same current to flow between the terminals. The ratio of specific heat gamma of a mixture of gases is given by gamma is equal to 1 plus R into N1 plus N2 divided by N1CV1 plus N2CV2, where CV1 and CV2 are specific heats at constant volume of the two gases in the mixture, and gamma is the ratio of the specific heats. N1 and N2 are number of moles of the gases in the given mixture. Find the velocity of sound in a mixture by equal volumes of hydrogen and helium at 27 degrees Celsius. Specific heats at constant volume for hydrogen and helium are 5R by 2 and 3R by 2 respectively. Two pendulums are drawn aside and released at the same time. One has a time period of 2 seconds and another has 2.5 seconds. What is the least time when they are at their extreme positions on opposite sides of the equilibrium? At a given time, the distance recorder of a car cruising at near constant speed on road showed 24,542 kilometers. 2 hours later, the driver noticed that it showed a symmetric number again. What was the average speed of the car in this 2-hour leg? Explain why a glass of water quickly warms up when placed on a hot surface but does not cool as quickly when placed on a cold surface. Assume the same temperature differences between the water and the surfaces in both the cases. Two resistances, a 60 ohm and an unknown one, are connected to a power source of 120 volts in a series arrangement. This way, the power of unknown resistance is 60 watts. What is the unknown resistance? A hollow sphere made of material of density 0.8 grams per centimeter cube is floating with 3/4 of its volume submerged in a liquid of density 0.8 grams per centimeter cube. If the external volume of the sphere is 200 centimeter cube, find the volume of cavity inside the sphere.